Welcome to this panel discussion where we are looking closer at an innovative telco partnership looking to disrupt the industry. So, the question for today is, how can we support new innovative operator to enter the market quicker? And how will the partnership between AWS, Totogi and Moflix enable just that?
To most people, it's pretty obvious that consumer expectations have changed dramatically since the introduction of smartphones. Kind of true to form, the telco players really have been slow to come to the party. And when they have arrived, they've arrived carrying a load of baggage from the way that they've just always done things. Yeah, so these new players have come to the same party, but they've arrived with a bold new vision for how to win the hearts and minds of these consumers and innovative ways of monetizing those relationships. So, those are the guys who are really going to win in this new digital economy. We're natively looking for ways of creating value that allow operators to disrupt their markets and find new ways of doing things.
In fact, the data shows that only up to 20% of the MVNOs actually succeed after their launch. And it comes down to 3 or 4 complex problems which we are dealing as an industry. We have a complicated process of sourcing. We have complicated systems. Imagine if we can flip it around and give every invention out there an opportunity to jumpstart their brand and take that MVP to the market. The amount of innovation which will come out will be unprecedented, and this is exactly what this industry needs.
ANTO is AWS Native Telco Operator, where operators, as Sudhanshu mentioned, operators can use the solution together as an infrastructure as a code, okay, and able to spin up instances, spin up the whole solution within minutes.
The AWS Native Telco Operator is the first end-to-end telco in a box solution that leverages the native capabilities of AWS to provide a full telco stack that an MVNO or an MNO who wants to be disruptive can launch by pressing one single button in the AWS marketplace. When a traditional IT telco stack deployment is easily going to take you a year. So it's a huge improvement in terms of the expectations.
So you can launch an operator in an hour?
That's what we're saying.
Totogi and Moflix have the same opportunity to do to BSS what Salesforce and Tableau did to CRM and revenue recognition, which is to come up with a globally available planetary scale platform, which delivers on your business goals, but it's pay by use. And anybody can get started and up and running and start doing their business with these platforms. You can not only monetize your network, but you can take these plans to the consumer with a first-class experience, which today's generations expect. And there were 3 key reasons why we chose AWS. Number 1, their speed of expansion. Today, they have 31 regions, 90 local zones, and they're continuing to expand. Number 2, their speed of innovation. They ship product and innovation faster than any other hyperscaler. Last but not the least is the AWS Marketplace, which is a great procurement engine which simplifies the buying process of these technology in a click of a button.
The strategic partnership of AWS, Moflix, and Totogi, and bringing the SaaS solution out of AWS Marketplace so that customers can experiment faster, fail fast, fail cheap,